What time is it?
It is, holy freak up, 6:18.
6:18.
Okay, we're going to have to make this quick. Y'all are going to have to watch y'all's clocks, because 7 o'clock, they will shut these fucking gates right here, and we cannot get out. See, park entrance gate locked at 7.
That's cool though, with the whole thing, that thing.
Why don't you park up there?
I was going to park by the pond.
Well, if you
No
park up there, we
alcohol
can just
allowed.
walk it up. Look, armadillo over there.
I was going to let...
Do you hear how she said armadillo?
I was gonna let Timothy the turtle go.
We're naming him now.
See? Mason likes it.
Okay.
Turtle, right here. Park it, right here.
Have we been here before, Amanda?
I was gonna go right here.
So we don't get those people.
What?
Have we been here before?
I've been here plenty of times, Dithon.
Huh?
I've been here plenty of, yeah, Emily's.
Yeah.
I've been here plenty of times.
I don't want to stick my hand in it because I don't want him to bite me.
I hate this shit. He's a cool mofo.
You almost hit my head and then I would have hit you.
Come on, Timothy, the mother freaking turtle.
Hey, hold on. Don't. You almost hit the stand.
You fucking kidding me.
What?
I had a fucking lighter and now...
Oh, I've got one.
Oh, nigga, calm the fuck down.
Did he snap at you or something?
Blood's all over him.
You getting out, babe?
Ew.
Yeah, I'm out, baby.
Do you want me to bring my stand? You want to? Holy fucking squirrel! Are you getting that?
Yeah. Here. Put your hand up through it and I'll hold on to it right now. And there's all the sponsor list.
Stop poking it!
Bring him to
Get the slugs off of it.
Bring him to the water and...
There's slugs. Where's the squirrel?
Oh shoot.
Some of the squirrels here will actually come up and eat.
Amanda was telling us the other day.
There's actual squirrels back there that you walk up and they'll come up to your hand.
She said she was trying to feed it the other day and it went and knocked it out of her hand and everything. Like, this is cool.
Yeah, no, I was just saying if there's any place to really play with it, RC truck.
Oh, the hills.
I didn't bring the four-wheel drive, I only brought 2 with me.
Oh, the little hills.
No, I know, but I'm looking for something a little bit more than hills.
Yeah. That's really cool, that over there. Do they do like little music things over there?
Weddings and shit like that.
Really?
Yeah.
So we could get married here? Oh, look, it's a duck. There's little duckies.
Hey, wait for us before you let him go.
Duck, duck, duck. Ducky, ducky,
Watch
ducky.
the snakes when y'all walk.
Watch for duckies. Mason's like, fuck that shit.
Amanda,
Amanda, watch for snakes.
I'm telling you, this is the perfect weather for him to be out.
I'm gonna get attacked by a duck.
See, well, there's turtles all through here.
Hold on, I want the ducky.
See, there's turtles right there. I wonder where the alligator's at.
Oh, don't even.
What up? I gotta open them.
Oh, there's some turtles. They're smaller than him, but
Oh, what? Oh, okay, that's what that is, poking his head out the water. I was making sure that wasn't
yeah,
a...
because people always come here and feed them. So when they see people, everything. I'm looking for that
Look,
alligator.
look, look. Look at it, look, look, look. Look, honey.
I can't look at these ducks.
Hold on. I just got the camera online.
Duck.
You wanna feed them, Kim?
Feed them a ducky.
Here.
Oh, shoot. Oh, that's not gonna help.
They're really good. I'm trying to eat them.
Come here, little babies.
You gotta toss it to him. Toss it.
I'm not so cheap.
I love the sound that they make.
No.
Y'all are about to get attacked.
Those ones with the red head.
That's the male.
Yeah.
Amanda, that's a
Amanda.
male duck. Be careful.
Watch out for that
Be
one. that you're feeding.
careful.
That's a male duck.
What does that mean?
They will attack.
They will attack you.
Yeah.
I'll take it.
It
Like,
don't matter.
no.
They'll,
He said this. He said. Makes 30
believe me, you can't kick here because they come straight up like that. They'll start biting on you. and
don't
everything.
do that. Please
They're
don't. Really
adorable.
don't. I know they're adorable,
Yeah, if they
but
feel threatened, they'll
if they feel threatened, they will attack you.
get on YouTube and look it up.
Okay, where's the turtle?
Hey, you should record me trying to fight it. Million hits on YouTube, me getting my ass kicked.
Well, I just got Amanda being an idiot. Yeah, don't do that, because watch him. See what he's doing with his tail? See that what he's doing?
That's strutting.
When he does that with his tail, his back of his tail, if he thinks that his ladies are being harmed by us, he will attack us.
I thought he was just
Yeah,
wiggling
these are
his
my
tail.
bitches now. You better get that straight.
I thought he was just wiggling his tail at me.
No,
he
they-
was like this. He was like,
You're gonna get killed by a fucking alligator.
and I was like,
I thought it was a dog.
There is an alligator out here. There used to be one. I was gonna let you
Yeah.
do it. Put him right there
I
in
just
the,
don't want
by
the.
the mud.
Watch out for snakes though.
Yeah, there's water monsters and stuff in here. Yep, see, there it goes. There it goes. See? See how the back of his head will stand up?
Yeah, when he makes that noise.
There you go.
When he makes
I'm
that
about to go,
noise.
bro.
look at that turtle. He's like,
I ain't about to get attacked by snakes.
look at this turtle. He said,
Here, can we feed the turtles?
Yeah, they'll eat it. You throw it on top of water.
Oh, there goes the duck.
Dude, that male duck.
Ducky, ducky, ducky. I feel like I'm back home with my mom.
Hey, that male duck's coming.
he's pissed.
Nigga, back the fuck up.
Oh, there you go. How about Timothy?
Bye bye.
He's bigger.
He happy. Look at him.
He's bigger than the other ones. Look at him, he is.
He's huge.
And the submarine goes underwater.
What's the problem? What's the problem? He said,
Oh, he gone.
ew, he just took shit.
I'm good. I'm good.
Wrong thing.
We can go.
you can go in the water with your little
Holy
girlfriend.
shit, look at that turtle out there on that log in the middle.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, fool.
He is
God.
huge. And there's another one over there. Those are the big boys. I wish we could
Bro,
get
I'm shaking.
I wish we could get that alligator on film.
Wait, what turtle are you
Can we go
talking
walk the trail?
What turtle? What turtle are you talking about?
The trail. Look, there's a trail. Come on, can we go walk it?
Yeah, man, let's go walk.
6:30.
Hold on, where is it? Because I'm pretty zoomed in.
Look, can you make it?
If they attack you, I'm not a part of this.
See, that's what they don't like.
Open your mouth.
That's what they don't like.
Ready?
I'm shaking too much.
Did you see that?
Anyways, look. Right?
Yeah, I saw it.
Get that on cam.
Right there. I'm shaking way too
Look,
much.
get this on
Why are you
camera.
shaking?
What's shaking too much?
Get this on camera. Watch.
Hold on.
Okay, Amanda.
Here. Hold on, let me zoom out.
Get this on camera.
I'm gonna hold on.
Look, there's a turtle in there by the duck. That's a snake by the duck.
Don't make me do it.
That's a snake. Alright, ready?
No, it's a turtle.
Ready? Are you?
Yeah. Go. Good job.
I don't feel like pissing myself today. Laughing.
He looks like he's bleeding on the neck a little bit.
Don't do it.
He's bleeding a little bit.
Man, I don't want to see you get killed by a duck.
Where's that
I
fucking...
hope you die.
He's probably up on land somewhere.
Stop, Amanda. There's gonna be this video is gonna go freaking viral of a duck attacking a freaking human.
We'll do the first one. That alligator's got to be on land somewhere. Because I know he's still out here. He's probably a good 6 or 7 foot now.
Hey, 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 hey. Why is our truck door open?
I guess y'all didn't shut it.